All right, what's up, y'all? So we're back for another one. Today is actually not going to be about my car. It's going to be about my buddy Seth's.
What's left?
So, yeah, what's left of it. So as you can see, Seth's bumper got messed up in a wreck. So he actually bought him a, Type R conversion for the bumper. He's eventually going to get it painted and stuff. His is lower than mine, which is cool, I guess. But he also bought some new side markers. But basically today I'm just going to be helping him take it off and get the new one on so we can get ready to get it painted and whatnot. And I brought some little push clips because some of his got broken. So yeah, we're just basically going to be filming the process and cutting up and so. All right, so starting to get everything off. I got to take this cowl off. Seth's getting the little bolts out the side. And basically, these will snap out. This will just pull off, and then we got to get all the stuff off the bottom as well. So, well, look at him. Boy, they got them toes throwing up them gang signs over there.
They're long.
But yeah, so we'll do that real quick.
I'm doing the best I can.
Wow. That's the best you can?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
We did it. Go fucking eat that in the yard one time.
For the one time?
Yeah. It's fucking garbage anyway now, dude.
Oh, wait, we need the lights out this thing.
Nah, oh, never mind. Like you gotta push him this way.
That shit ain't working.
Hold the camera. Check it. Yeah, so we're basically taking these out so we can get the housings out because you know we almost
The housings.
That probably wouldn't have been a good idea.
These ones.
Yeah, they're pretty dirty. So yeah, we just gotta get these fog lights out and then we gotta transfer them into the new bumper and start putting that together. That boy ain't make it. Yeah, his light had got broken up here too, so in this clip as well, which makes it kind of hard to put some things back, but we'll see. But yeah, we're gonna get those out real quick and start transferring everything over. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're gonna have to put the lights in first and then we can start putting in all the things on it, eh? Oh yeah. Fucking screw me. Go on.
Shit's fucking retarded. Does it eat? Yo, does that light not fit? Where's my retarded?
Get the ball view.
Look at my sack, you two.
Snap her in, mate.
The fucking home got filled. Motherfucker. Bruh. It goes in and comes right back out.
You're so strong.
Georgie, you're so strong.
Bottom grill is on. Front mesh pieces on. Lip time. Look at this man over here. Sweaty and beautiful. Alright, update. Got these bolts and these first three snapped in on this back side. Still got to do the front side of this. And then we got to try to get this side to line up because it's way off. So, haven't been filming it because it's been a bitch and a half. As you can see by my boy. He's exhausted mentally and physically.
At all times.
Yeah, you know. So, we'll be right back once we get this on. Alright, update again. After much forcing and prying, we got the bottom lip to get on. Seth was taking out the bolts out of the old front grille so I could put the front grille, there you go. And so now we'll go ahead and replace his old side marker. All right, so before we put Seth's bumper on and test fit it and whatnot, we're gonna remove these side markers. So Seth had already done it before, but you push this little clip in and the whole light itself will come out. And basically you twist it out and that's how it'll come out. So Seth already had LED bulbs in it. The reason why he's changing these, there's water that got inside. Let me show you the ones that he just recently bought. All right, so these are Seth's new lights. They're LEDs, so we're gonna have to figure out how to hook them up. Apparently this wire just has an extension that goes with it to the blinker. So we just need to figure out which one it is and the headlight splice into it and it should work. So let me see if I can get this figured out real quick.
Yeah. All right, so Chase is about to start a fire.
You're about to collect tax money off you. I mean,
But-
insurance money, I'm sorry. Bad luck cars, dude. I wouldn't be surprised if it would catch on fire for no reason. Alright. This thing couldn't cut my fucking pecker, bro. God damn. You tell me these things are like the fucking bane of the wiring world, and I was like, bro, I don't care. Honestly.
What is allegedly so bad about him?
They apparently I messed your car up, but hey, it's your car, so I don't care.
Why do you hate me?
I hate myself, man. So much. I hate it.
Alright. Go turn your car on. Alright, Seth's going to turn his car on to see if it bursts into flames, but it looks like I did good. Did good, boys. Turn your blinker. Well. Alright, so it wasn't turning on because it didn't splice into the wire whenever I did it on either one of them. So maybe old boy was right. So anyway, what we're gonna do, I'll just cut some of this off on here and I'll just twist it on there and we'll tape it up. I know it's not the best way to do it, but it's the main way to tie in. And I don't have a solder and Seth's cool with it, so whatever. So let me do that real quick. Got it twisted in there now. Should work. Yeah, it's good. All right. Got this side, moment of truth. Oh yeah, boy.
Oh boy, that's fancy.
All right, now that we got these lights done, Jethro do the honors and pick this bumper up. We have to hook them little lights up foist before we do anything else. Let me help this man do this real quick. Alright guys, so here's the new bumper. Type R rep bumper on. Looks pretty cool. Fitment's not necessarily the greatest. Seth had 2 clips that were broken right here, so you'll have to order those to make this a little bit better. We're having a hard time getting the little liner to go back, but overall, The only other thing we need to do now is just button up the clips on the bottom, which, I mean, I forgot to bring my little ramps, but we'll do that. Only other thing too is it sitting on this little bash bar kind of deal. Which is the only thing that makes the fitment a little weird on it, but looks cool. So, but anyway, so we're gonna salvage whatever we can off of the bumper and whatnot, and that'll be it for this. Like I said, we did the sequentials and we did the Type R bumper. Again, I wanted to do a video with some friends instead of always doing stuff by myself, and he needed some help, and I've had to pull my bumper off multiple times. So all he has to do now is just get some emblems and he'll be straight. But anyway, that'll be the end for me on this one. I do have some parts coming from my 10th gen for a video, and I also have some stuff that I need to go do on the EK, which I don't know if I'm gonna do it today, tomorrow, whatever. But anyway, enough talking. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I will see y'all in the next one.